a little bit of everything. Mostly all equipment stays on DOT road work and toll plazas. I'm in charge of all the maintenance and answering telephones and making sure everything keeps going. We have 2 telehandlers, one that's got a 4-cylinder factory engine, not a Cummins, stays down. And then we have this one with the Cummins engine in it, and it has more power and less issues, and it picks up more weightage. That's a better one. We use it for a little bit of everything, and it's never shut off on us or gave us a problem.
Basically, I operate telehandlers just a little over 18 years. I mean, the machine has been capable to do everything that I've had to do, you know, here around the yard. I guess the heaviest thing I ever had to move was probably these big hydraulic pumps, and it handled it with ease. Whether I put it on the fork, if I put it on the winch, the engine has the power to do whatever I need it to do. The response time on this machine, you know, when you hit the controls to make it do a specific function, is immediate. There is no downtime. You don't have to wait on it, you know, to move in the direction that you need it to go. It's quiet, it's cool, and whenever somebody is directing you in what you're trying to lift or move with the machine, sometimes you might not be able to see the person's hand signals, but you can actually hear what they're saying to you because it's quieter.
The smaller engine's better. The guys get productivity. It's less fuel. They don't have to stand around, run out of fuel, waiting on the fuel man to get there and top it off with fuel. So it saves money, better machine. Emissions on this one, they haven't been an issue on none of the Cummins actually. We have never had to do a manual regen on this one.
When I hear the name Cummins, I guess the word quality comes to mind. My experience with the Cummins F3.8 is that it exceeds all of my expectations. Now, I would not only recommend it to another operator, but if somebody was interested in buying one, I would recommend it to them also.
The Performance Series engines, they're better engines, had less downtime than the factory engine, and men operating them really like them. I would recommend the F3.8 liter for different companies with telehandlers. It's better on fuel, so in the long run you save money, and it's got more power. I'd recommend it.